Hi everybody, welcome to the Vegas Vegan and happy holidays. Today I have two carefully crafted cocktails, the Jack Frost and the Santa Clausmo.
Subscribe.
Okay, Jack Frost. Let's see, let me just try you. Okay, well, I love this one too. Always drink responsibly.
First up, the Santa Clausmo. This is a cranberry Cosmopolitan that is so perfect for the holidays, and you can make this at home in just a couple easy steps. Just add powdered sugar, a little simple syrup to rim the glass. Then I get my long-stemmed martini glass. And then I take some shredded coconut, and this shredded coconut is gonna give my glass the look of winter. It looks like snow. Perfect. Now we're gonna take our Boston shaker. We don't have these at work. I have to use pint glasses, but this I love using at home. It prevents spills, and the link is in my description. Always use fresh ice when you make a cocktail. It's so important. We're using Ocean Spray cranberry juice. I've tried other cranberry juices thinking they'll be more healthy. No, they make the drink taste sour. So this, trust me, is the perfect juice. Cranberry juice by Ocean Spray for this Cosmopolitan cocktail. I'm using 2 parts here. And then I'm going to take my Grey Goose vodka. I love this vodka. It is perfect. It's smooth, and it's gonna go so nicely in this drink. I'm using 2 parts, and just in case you were wondering, yeah, this is a vegan alcohol. All of the alcohols I'm using today are. We're going to take Malibu coconut rum, 1.5 parts on this bad boy. And this is going to tie in so well with the rim of our glass because we've got the coconut rum and the coconut rim. It's going to be amazing, trust me. We're just going to put on the lid, give it a good shake. After you've given it a good shake, just strain and pour into your martini glass. All that's left for you to do is enjoy. Oh, this is perfect. There you have it, the Santa Clausmo, the Jack Frost. Now this recipe is made in a blender, and you can really show off your bartending skills with this fancy holiday cocktail. You rim your cocktail glass with the coconut to make it look like snow. Use fresh ice. We're using about a tablespoon of the cream of coconut. Now this is going to make your drink thick. You're going to use 1 part of the Malibu coconut rum, and then this is blue curacao. It's blue, so it's going to give it its color, but it also has notes of orange, and I don't want to overpower the pineapple and coconut with the orange notes, so I'm just going to use 1/2 part. And then I'm going to use my Grey Goose, because as always, it's perfect in every way. 1 part of that. And then I'm going to take my 100% Dole pineapple juice, and I'm going to fill 2 parts into my blender of the pineapple juice. And then I'm just going to blend this bad boy until it's blended. If you need to add a little more ice, go ahead. Everybody's blender's different. But bam, there you go. 2 stunning holiday cocktails that you're able to make at home. You're gonna wow your whole family, and everybody is gonna love the taste.
Drink responsibly. So there you have it, the Jack Frost and the Santa Clausmo. 2 great holiday crafted cocktails from me to you. I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment. See you next time, and happy holidays from the Vegas Vegan. Bye. Bye, Maggie.